haters out there, I'm throwing reactive for the rest of the block. I feel like I'm throwing all my urethane balls in the garbage after this tournament's over. Because that's how bad my block is going so far. Day 2! We back at the Masters. I'm like 40 over, just outside the top 64 cut. Kev is in like...
I'm in like 6th now, but haven't bowled yet. But I'm way up there. I'm just gonna grind it out and get into the top 64.
He's just gonna join Team Spares for a couple blocks real quick.
No!
Stop chasing Team 8-baggers.
No! 8-baggers! The new 8-baggers and Spares shirts are out. Tell us what team you're on. Go buy a shirt. Send us a photo of it. Everyone's on Team 8-bagger. I know you guys are, so come join the dark side.
And if you guys are gonna buy some merch, you might as well be subbed and help us chase 50K subs. We are closing in. I think we're like 3K away probably by the time this video is released. So we got like 5 days to hit 3K. Can we get there?
Yes.
Maybe? Maybe?
Yes.
Anyways,
yes.
We're gonna go to the bowling alley right now. Wasn't my best game one, but it also wasn't my worst game one, so we'll take it.
All right.
190 needed.
What are we doing right now in game 2?
Change balls, move inside, give them what I do best, which is the slow hook. So
All right, let's
hopefully
get
it
it.
works. Yeah.
Come on, let's get it.
Alright, for all you haters out there, I'm throwing reactive for the rest of the block. I only brought one of them with me, but it's going down the lane. Because that's how bad my block is going so far. Like I'm throwing all my urethane balls in the garbage after this tournament's over.
Packy, game 3. What's your score?
Game 3, 240 something, 246, 244, something like that. Very good game. Got out of urethane, which I needed to, through the power torque really deep, and I'm hoping I can do that for 2 more games. I don't need the 240s, but like just another 2 good games to end the block. That 240 helped me out. Bounce back after the rough first couple. Yeah. So hopefully power torque the next 2 games and don't have to do anything too crazy, but we'll see.
That's good.
I bowled another good game, but not off to a hot start this one. What did I shoot? 246 that game? 246 last game, and this game, hopefully another good one, but that was the wrong ball. Thanks.
Did you pass it?
No, what?
Dude, I didn't bowl.
What did you shoot the last game?
220. So proud. Where are you at?
99?
Hey guys, I'm only drilling this ball because Packy made it look good.
No, you're drilling it because it's a good ball, that's why.
It is a good ball, but you convinced me.
All right, so that was my master's block. I went like 50 over. I'm at 99 overall right now, which is in a really good spot for tomorrow. The cut's around 40, and it doesn't really look like it's going anywhere. I think it's 48, and it doesn't really look like it's going anywhere, so I am in a great place. Switch to reactive, have some confidence in some of my reactive balls, some of my urethane balls, and we will see what the burn squad gives us tomorrow, because we went fresh in the morning, fresh at night. We got the burn squad tomorrow, but that was my block. Kevin?
I shot 130 game 1. Other than that, I just kind of grinded. But I'm 120 over, and we just got to grind it out and get to match play.
Beauty of the tournament, you don't have to lead. You just have to get into match play, and then absolutely anything can happen. So hopefully you will see us both in the match play cut tomorrow, and then we're going to get some bonus ball in the next days. So until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and the chase for 50K subs continues. Peace!
Night-night.
Like FIFA, yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever. Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna last forever.